Imagine turning a gloomy hallway into the brightest spot in your home. Using glass panes on internal doors to maximize natural light and simple mirror angles. If that sounds like free square footage, hit like and subscribe to get more quick wins for your space. Here's the secret. Light behaves like a ping pong ball. Angle in equals angle out. So, I'm placing mirrors where sunlight hits and bouncing it straight into the corridor. Step 1. Find your light source. Stand in the brightest room near the dark spot you wish to brighten. Mid-morning, mid-afternoon. Hold a small mirror and tilt it until a bright spot lands inside the hallway. That's your proof of concept. Mark that line with painter's tape. Source wall to target wall. Step 2. Lock the angle. If the sun hits the source wall at, say, 30 degrees, I set my mirror so it reflects at 30 degrees back, straight down the corridor. Play with the angle and adjust the light throw. The longer the space, the more shallow the angle for a longer throw. Step 3. Size and height. A tall mirror, at least 2/3 ceiling height, captures more rays and spreads them vertically. Mount the center at eye level, around 150 centimeter, so it brightens both floor and ceiling. Step 4. Relay the light. 1 big bounce is great, 2 is better. Place a secondary mirror halfway down the hallway on the opposite wall to catch and push the beam further. Think dominoes of daylight. Step 5. Frame style for illusion. Slim, matte black frames sharpen edges and feel modern. Brass or wood adds warmth. Biophilic vibes if it reflects plants. Arched mirrors mimic doorways and fake architectural depth. Pair with pale, low sheen paint to reduce glare and boost diffusion. Pro tip: reflect nature, not clutter. Put a plant or textured art opposite the mirror so the hallway inherits organic color and calm. Budget check: 2 full-length mirrors and anchors can sit under a couple £100, yet the perceived value, brighter, bigger corridor, reads like a renovation. Agents call it daylight arbitrage. Common pitfalls: avoid facing mirrors directly at each other. Tunnel effect: don't bounce light into bedrooms at bedtime. And watch for hot spots on wood floors. Shift angle a few degrees if needed. If this helped you squeeze sunlight where it doesn't belong, tap like and subscribe for more high-impact, low-cost upgrades. Drop your hallway length below and I'll suggest exact mirror sizes. Now, go and steal some daylight. See you in the next one.